Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing calves. The standing calf machine is ideal for strengthening and toning your calf muscles. Step under the shoulder pads and place the balls of your feet firmly on the foot platform, letting your heels hang freely. Keep your legs straight but not hyperextended, and lightly engage your core for stability. Slowly push your heels up as high as possible, standing on your toes. Briefly squeeze your calves at the top for a few seconds, then lower yourself in a controlled manner until your heels are under the platform, holding for a few seconds. Avoid bouncing or moving too quickly. A steady pace yields the best results. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. This exercise is perfect for strengthening calves, improving explosive power, and increasing stability in sports like running, jumping, and cycling. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and see you soon with a new exercise, and keep on training.